Math Blast 20. A painter needed to paint 8 rooms in a building. Each room takes 6 hours to paint. If he already painted 2 rooms, how much longer will he take to paint the rest? Okay, well, I'm going to do a tape diagram and a number bond to solve this. So first, let's look at the rooms, what we know. Well, we know we had 8 rooms to paint. Okay. We know we've already painted 2, so I need to figure out how many still need to be painted. Well, if I have 8, 8 is made of 2 and 6. So I have 6 rooms left to paint. Well, now I look, it says each room takes 6 hours to paint. So I could do 6 multiplied by 6 hours. And now to figure out 6 times 6, I could do a little tape diagram. So I have my 6 rooms, 6 hours each room. So I could skip count. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. So 36 hours. Okay. Label the fraction for point A. So I have 0 and I have 1. So here is a whole. So now I need to see how many equal parts make this whole. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 parts make the whole. So that tells me my denominator is 6. This is 0/6. This would be 1/6. This right here would be 2/6 would be my A. Compare the fractions using greater than, less than, or equal to. Justify using the fraction models. So I have 1/4 and 2/3. So I'm going to turn this first into fourths. So 1/4. Cut it right here. So now I have fourths. Now I'm going to shade in one of them lightly. Okay. Now I have 2/3. I've got to break that into roughly 3 equal parts and then 2 of them. We could see 2/3 is greater than 1/4. So 1/4 is less than 2/3. 2/4, 1/2. Well, I'm going to look at my first fraction bar here. I'm going to cut it into fourths. I'm going to shade in 2 of them. And now 1/2. As you can see, they are equal. Okay. Determine the area of the shape. And this is telling me that this is a square unit. So I need to report how many square units. Well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a row. And then how many rows? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 rows of 5. And I know 4 rows of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20. So 20 square units. Find the perimeter of the shape. So the perimeter, we know that is the outside edge. So we're kind of following around the outside edge. So this is 4. This is 7. We don't know this, but if we look, we can see that this is a rectangle, and so if this is 4, this is 4. So I'm going to write that in. Now, this is 7, this is 7. Write that in. So now I can just add these up. So 4 plus 7, and then plus 4 more, plus 7 more, equals. Now I'm going to do these as a group. So 4 plus 7 is 11, plus 4 plus 7 is 11, and I know 11 plus 11 is 22 units. The perimeter of this rectangle is 8 units. What are the lengths of the unlabeled sides? Well, I know that this right here is 2, so since they're telling me this is a rectangle, if this is 2, this opposite side also has to be 2. Well, they told me that the perimeter all the way around is 8 units. So I've used 2 here and 2 here. Well, 2 and 2 is 4. So I know I had 8. I've used 4. So that means I have That means I have 4 remaining. So I have 4 units remaining, but I have to split them equally from in this side and this side. So if I have 4 and I'm splitting them between the sides, that 4 can be made of a 2 and a 2 to share them equally. So this side would have to be 2 and this side is have to be 2. And I can check it by seeing if the perimeter equals 8. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So it fits. This is a perimeter of 8 units. Thank you.